Welcome. If you want to change your signature in Garena Free Fire Max, and first you have to click on the left upper corner, and then when you are in the settings of our profile, we have to tap right here, and then we have to click on the signature. As you can see, you can easily change it. We can try to input here this icon, click on OK, tap X to close, do it one more time, and take a look. As you can see, our signature has changed. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.